Hello children, I welcome you all in your EVS class. Chapter number 8, Flying High, Part 3. Today's objective is we are going to see uses of beaks, even different types of beaks and food habits as per bird's beak. We all know that as we human beings don't eat same food, similarly birds also don't eat same food. Each and every bird have different food habits. Okay. See this bird, what it has a beak. What we call to its beak, what we know it as mouth. How we have mouth, they also have mouth. Their mouth is known as beak. Let's see uses of beaks. Birds, see how they are eating fruits. They use their beaks to eat fruit. Even to clean their feathers, they use beak. To make their nest, to make their house, they use beak for making nest and for also collecting things with the help of beak. Birds use the beak to eat. Birds also use their beaks to clean themselves. Even we have seen that they use their beak to collect things for making nest. Yes, birds also help the beaks also helps the birds to make their nest. With the help of beaks, they make nest. They hold the things with the help of beak and then they use it for making the nest. The shape of beak depends on the kind of food the birds eat. Each and every bird have different types of beak. Let's see the very first one. Probing beak or straw-shaped beak. The beaks, which are long and slender, to suck nectar from flowers. These birds use their beak to suck nectar from flowers. Okay, let's see the very first picture. You know this bird? Yes, it's a hummingbird, right? Even they also have straw-shaped beak. This is hooper bird. They use this beak to suck nectar from flowers. And the next is sunbird. Okay, these birds use this beak to suck nectar from flowers. Can you see this picture? Yes. The next one is crushing beak. Birds which eat grains, seeds and need to crack their food have short and hard beak. By listening the word itself, you can understand that crushing, that means to crack it or to crush it. Okay, they use their beak to crush the grains and have it. Example, sparrow. You can see its beak is so small and strong. It is very strong. Pigeon is the next example. They use their beak to crush the grains and have it. Next is flat beak. Some birds have flat beak to eat fish and insects from muddy water. So, they have got flat beak with small holes on either side. That means this bird have flat beak and they use their beak to eat insects from the muddy water. For example, it's a goose. Yes, you might have seen in your environment. Then the duck and fourth one, Chisel-shaped beak. Chisel-shaped beak helps a bird to poke holes in tree trunk and pull out the insects to eat. Okay, this thing you might have seen in woodpecker, that how they make holes in the trunk of a tree and pull out the insects from inside. Yes, see the example, it's a woodpecker. Then the next one is hook-shaped beak. Their beak is like a hook. Birds like eagle, vulture, hawks eat flesh of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong and hook-shaped. This strong and hook-shaped helps them to eat flesh of other animals. For tearing it, it helps them a lot. For example, it's a eagle, right? See its beak carefully. How is it? Yes, it's like a hook. Then this is vulture. Its beak is also like a hook. Then hawk. Yes, its beak is also like a hook. Next, spear shaped beak. Spear means what, children? Earlier people used to use the
Spear-shaped
tool.
beak.
It's an
Birds like
tool
heron
which
and
was used by
kingfisher
earlier
have
people
spear-like
for
beaks. It's adapted for
fishing.
fishing.
Okay?
They
For
use it
fishing.
for fishing. It helps them to
Do fishing with the help of spear-shaped beak. So children, we have seen 6 types of beaks. See this kingfisher picture? Yes. Then the next heron. Yes, they use their beak to do fishing. Okay, the new words which you have seen today are probing, straw, crushing, flat, castle, hook, spear, nectar, muddy, poke. You are going to write these new words in your copy and also find the meanings from your dictionary. Okay, children, just have a small recap. Bird's mouth is known as beak. Birds use beak to eat food. They also use it for cleaning themselves and make their nest. Shape of beak depend on the kind of food the bird eat. There are 6 types of beak. One we have seen, that is straw-shaped beak, then crushing beak, straw-shaped beak, yes, then crushing beak, then we have seen flat beak, yes, you recall the video what we have seen, yes, then castle-shaped beak, then the next one is hook-shaped beak and spear-shaped beak. Let's see few questions on it. Birds have beak. What are beaks? What do you mean by beak, children? What is beak? Yes, you will write answer. Then the next one. Birds use beak for many purposes. Mention any 3 point. Okay, you have to mention any 3 point. There are 6 types of beaks. You have to explain them. All the 6 types of beaks, you are going to explain it. Okay, you are going to write it along with the example. Fill in the blanks. First one, ducks and geese have dash beak. Is it straw shaped, flat, crushing or castle shaped? Which one, children? Ducks and geese, which kind of beak they have? Yes, write that. The dash has a straw-like beak to suck nectar from flower. Is it hummingbird, eagle, sparrow or pigeon? Write the right answer in your copy. Yes, recall, children. Very good. Yes, children, write it. Next one. A woodpecker has a dash-shaped beak. Is it crushing, hook, castle or spear? Which one, children? They use it to make holes in the tree trunk. What will be the answer? Right. Write it. Then the next one. Hawks have dash beak. Is it castle shaped, hook shaped, spear shaped or straw shaped? Which one, children? Recall the picture of a hawk. You can recall. Yes, write these answers in your EVS copy. Okay, children, for today this much. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Listen to your parents and elders. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Without fail, children, it's scorching sun outside. You have to drink water. And without fail, even you will include daily exercise or yoga. How I used to mention you earlier, like that only. Now also you have to continue it. Thank you for watching, everyone.